Hey guys, it's me, Fifi. Thank you for tuning in to the video. If you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are already subscribed, I want to say welcome back. If you have not done so already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you have not done so already, I'll give you time to do that now. Thank you. And also, please make sure that you hit the bell to all so that you won't miss any of my great deals. Guys, I really appreciate all of your love that you have shown me. Guys, if you missed my last video, I will put it up on the screen. Please go look at that video. I think it's almost 3,000 views on there. You don't want to miss any of my deals. I promise you, they will be worth your while. So, having said that, I am going to get into this breakdown. No, this is not Dollar General. I chose not to do Dollar General today. This is Family Dollar. Now, before I get into the breakdown, I want to say this. Do what you need to do for your household. Yes, everybody was getting the Swaddle and the Tide and all of those things. But do what's best for your household. Get what your household needs. Having said that, my household needed paper towels. I would have gotten the tissue, but the tissue was not scanning on the app for some reason. Tip number 2, scan. When you get into the store, scan the items to make sure that the coupon is attaching to that item. So I opted to get 2 packages of the Scott paper towels because, like I said, the tissue was not attaching to that coupon for some reason. So make sure that you scan all of your items on the store app. Now let's get into the breakdown. This is Family Dollar, the 5 off 25 scenario for today and today only. As you can see, I have 2 packages of Scott paper towels. I have a Gain dryer sheet, 34 count. I have 2 Airwick oil refills, the double pack, and I have an Airwick plug-in, just the plug-in itself. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, the Gain 34 count is a glitch. That Airwick plug-in is a glitch. The coupon that's on the app is working on those, and I'm going to tell you the coupon it was. So for the 34 count Gain dryer sheets, the $2 off 1 Gain flings is working on that, making that absolutely free. That Airwick plug-in, just the plug-in, the coupon on the app is glitching. It is working on that. So the digital coupon that worked on that is the $1.50 off Airwick starter kit. So in my store, those were priced at $185. The coupon took off $150. So that was another glitch. Now let's get into the breakdown. Those 2 Airwick double oil refills, the coupon that I used was $1.50 off on both of them. I had 2 on my account. The Scott paper towels, you know that there is a $2 off 2 Scott digital coupon that's working on 2 of those. So that's why I got 2 packages. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna, don't forget to clip your 5 off 25 Family Dollar digital coupon. Now, all of these items I did do with digital coupons because I know that everybody does not have access to paper coupons. So that's why most of my deals that I bring you, I try to do digital coupons on the app so that everybody has a chance to go out and do the deal. If you have the app, you're able to do this deal. So, 2 Scott paper towels, 2 double pack of Airwick oil refills. The Gain dryer sheets, 34 count, glitching, was absolutely free. The Airwick plug-in, just the plug-in, is glitching. That was like 35 cents. Total for this transaction, $11.85. Now mind you, the paper towels are $5.75 per pack. So 2 of those come out to $11 and some change, or about $12. So I got this whole transaction for the price of what I would pay for 2 packages of paper towels. So I thought that was pretty cool. $11.85 is what I paid. I saved $13.50. If you want to run out and do this deal, you still have time. And as always, I will put the coupons that I used in the video. You can screenshot this picture, pick up exactly what you see here. If you want to do this deal exactly the way I did it and pay $11.85. You're going to get the Gain dryer sheets, 34 count, 2 Airwick oil refills, the double pack. You're going to get the Airwick plug-in just by itself, if they have any more, because I think I got the last one in my store. And just clip those digital coupons to your Family Dollar account, and everything should work perfectly. So, having said that, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share this video. And do one more thing for me. Keep watching.